Well, hey everybody, Martika here. Welcome to my channel. So today I am talking to you about, actually I am showing you my small Hobby Lobby haul and why I went there in the first place and what I came out with. So it's been a long day for me today. I had my physical with my doctor today, and after going through all that, I ended up getting two shots. I ended up getting blood drawn, so we can say I got stuck three times. And after that, I had already planned on going to Hobby Lobby, but I needed a little sewing retail therapy after all of that I've been through this morning. So we're going to go ahead and get started so that I can show you what I did pick up. What First of all, I went there for sewing needles. Okay, I went there for some ballpoint needles for sewing with knits, and I did get those. By the way, I almost walked right past them, but I did get those. So let me show you which ones I did get. Now they did have the Smets brand, the very popular brand, that's kind of carried everywhere at like Joann's, Hobby Lobby, even Walmart carries them as well. But I really like Sewology's Hobby Lobby Sewology brand, you guys. I like their thread, and you're going to see a little bit of that in a moment. But I do like that particular brand. It has shown to be really great quality. It is very affordable. So if you've never shopped the Sewology brand at Hobby Lobby, give it a try. And because I have a Hobby Lobby that's about 5 minutes away from my house, usually when I need anything like a Notion and I know that they have it, that's my first stop because it's the closest as well. So I did get these. This is 4 ballpoint needles, and it sizes 9, 11, and 14. And this is for light, medium weight fabrics. And it was only $1.49 at Hobby Lobby. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Hobby Lobby. I'm just showing you my haul. Everything I bought with my own money. So not only did I buy one of these at $1.49, I went on ahead and I got 2 packs. Okay. So because I sew with a lot of knits, I wanted to make sure that I had a little backup here. But I do plan on getting many, many more backups of ballpoint needles and stretch needles, jersey needles, all that good stuff for knits. So I want to show you that first, but that's not what I went and grabbed first, because my little self ended up in the clearance section first. I didn't even go to the sewing section first. There was a new look pattern, and I can't even remember the number, but I said that if I did see it, I was going to go ahead and grab it just to have a backup one of it, because I think that it might be out of print, but I'd have to actually find the the pattern itself to be able to give a number. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. However, there were only two new look patterns left back there, you guys. Somebody's been back there shopping the new look patterns. There were two left. There was the one I'm getting ready to show you, and then there was one for a little girl. Well, I did not need that one. I do have a little niece, but this particular pattern, it really wasn't for her. So I said, let me go ahead and grab this because I feel like this was sitting back there for me. So this is New Look 6720. Isn't that cute? I just thought that that top was really cute. And it feels like I have a pattern really close to this, but at 99 cents, I didn't have time to be checking and all that. I just grabbed it. But I like both of the versions. Yeah, there's two versions. I like both of the versions in this, the short sleeve and the 3/4 length sleeve as well. So I thought that this was really cute. As a matter of fact, my focus is I'm sewing other things, but I really, really need some tops in my closet to go with jeans. So I'm getting ready to actually make some jeans, but I knew that I knew that I need some more tops in my closet. And I do have a lot of tops patterns, but I thought that that was really cute to add, for the summer as well. Then I spotted these. These are expander discs for the Happy Planner. I am a Happy Planner carrier. I am a Happy Planner lover. I have carried Happy Planners for years. Okay, I really like the layout of them and the versatility of them to be able to switch my sheets in and out. I have a hole punch for it and all that good stuff. So I saw these really cute discs. Look at the design in there. It's like a marble design. And I just think that that is just really, really cute. It's called Blush Glossy Tortoise. Okay. That is the name of this. All right. So yeah, this was really cute. It regular on it was $24.99. It was reduced to $6.24. Then it was reduced again to $2.49. So, yeah, I was able to grab these for $2.49. And these are the large ones, okay? I actually really need to add this to my planner that I have now because it's pretty stuffed. So, yeah, I just thought that that was a really good little buy. Now, the other thing I needed, I always stay stocked up on my black thread. Okay, so I'm down to like I just put I'm actually using my last spool of black thread that I had in my backup. So I went on ahead and grabbed two more spools of black thread. As you know, the Soology thread at Hobby Lobby up to a certain amount is 99 cents. And then I believe the larger spool is like $1.99. Very affordable. This thread, you guys, is so, so good. So I really like it. I know a lot of people like Gutterman and other brands as well, but I feel like this is just as good. Okay, it holds its own, and I've never had a problem with this. It is 100% polyester thread, and it's very, very good. It has they have every color you can think of, even colors that you could not imagine them having. So yeah, check them out on that. So I got a couple of backup black ones. Then I remember when I did my orange summer top with the orange florals that I did the sew along on recently. I actually did not have in my thread collection orange, like a true orange. I had like a papaya color, which actually worked out well for that top. But I was like, why don't I have an orange thread? So I went on ahead and I grabbed this really pretty orange thread. Okay, there was a couple of shades of really close to like a true orange, but I just went on ahead and just grabbed this one, and I will most likely grab the other one at some point so that that never happens again. Well, the same thing happened when I was making my sister's handbag for her birthday. The main color I was looking for was green, a green thread. And I had like different shades of green. As a matter of fact, I'm looking up there now and I have like a lime green. I have another type green. And actually, I have about four different shades of green up there. But actually, this one looks like one of them that's up there, but it may not have matched. That's fine because that one's almost gone anyway. So I grabbed another green, but I knew that I did not have this beautiful, like a olive, it's almost like a pearl like olive green. It is beautiful. So this one kind of jumped out at me and I knew I didn't have it. So I went on ahead and grabbed that. And once again, all of those threads were 99 cents. Okay. So as I walked around, because fabric is on sale right now at Hobby Lobby this week for 40% off. You know, they do that every other week. Well, this is the week. I was walking around looking at like the clearance fabric and everything. And I spotted a few things, and then I went to look at the cottons, and I spotted quite a few things. But I wanted to come home, look in my patterns, and see what's coming up that I might need some cotton for, because they had some beautiful cotton there, but I didn't want to be buying just to be buying. Okay, I wanted to make sure that I had a purpose for it, that I'm going to use it for really quick. So while I'm walking through there, I did not buy any fabric, by the way, but I did spot some. I saw that there was a lot of ribbon on clearance. They all I mean, like tons of ribbon had the orange sticker on them. So if you are a ribbon user, you use them for different projects, not just sewing, but maybe like Christmas time as well. Or if you sew a lot of like specialty fabric and things like that, that calls for trims and things like that, you guys, they are having a big clearance right now on their ribbons. And I asked the lady there, I said, why? I said, are you all clearing out the ribbons? She said, well, I know that some of them we are. She said, I don't know exactly why, but yes, there's quite a few on clearance right now. And my guess is I'm wondering if they're bringing in maybe a different brand or something like that. I know that's what happened with like the zippers and some of the other notions. So that might be what's happening, but it was a lot on clearance. So let me show you what I got. First of all, I got this like I want to say like a khaki or taupe color ribbon, and this is basically it's just a ribbon. It doesn't say what kind. Most of them have titles, but the regular on this spool was $2.99, and it's a 5/8 of an inch yard inch wide ribbon for 5 yards, and it was reduced to 74 cents, you guys. Okay, but this is the ribbon itself. Hopefully you can see that and it's not creating a glare. So yeah, I thought that that was a really, really pretty color. So I don't work with just like a whole lot of colors or anything like that. So I went for the black. Okay. So this particular one is the same. It is actually the same just your regular, ribbon, uh, your regular fabric ribbon that I could use for quite a few things to tie things up with and just use it for different things. But it was a whole spool, same type of spool for 74 cents. Yeah, there's the orange sticker, 74 cents. So the next one I got, this is a silver pearlescent satin ribbon. And I'm going to take this tape off of here because I want you to be able to see this. But this is 5/8 of an inch yard. This is 4 yards of this ribbon. And it is, let me see, regular on this spool was $2.99. It was on clearance as well for 74 cents. And look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? For 74 cents. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, 74 cents, you guys. Very, very pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's pretty. So I got it. So the last black ribbon I got, this is 100% polyester. That's what it says. And then this is a jacquard mesh ribbon. Okay. This is it's 1 inch wide, and it's 3 yards of this. The regular on this was $3.49. This was on clearance for 87 cents. So I went on ahead and grabbed that. And this is gorgeous. It is so, so pretty. Let me undo that. Look at that. How pretty is that? That would be a beautiful trim on something, okay? A blouse, a dress, or something. I don't know, but I got it and it's really, really pretty. So, yeah, 87 cents, y'all, for that. And then I meant to grab this pattern, and I am seriously not knowing if, hold on a second, I've got to get this pattern to show you this. Okay, so I spotted I spotted this, and I immediately thought about this pattern that I had in my stash, and one of the reasons why I had not made it yet. But let me show you what I got first. I got two of these, and this is a 100% cotton. It's a large cotton rope in the color natural. How gorgeous is that? Y'all, the regular on this was $8.99. it was reduced to $2.24. This is a 1 inch wide rope and it is 2 yards of it. Okay, there's the price so you can see what was paid for that. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. And I got two. Yep, got two of them. I couldn't pass that up. There were three there, but I left one for somebody else. I figured 4 yards of rope was enough. So, yeah, we didn't want to go crazy with it. But yeah, that was gorgeous. The pattern that I immediately thought of that I always look at and I want to make so bad is McCall's 8271. Okay, do you see the rope handles? Do you see them? Yeah. How cute are these tote bags? Okay. I mean, they scream vacation, but they also scream everyday wear too. I mean, I could put my laptop in there. I could put my personal items in there. I could put a book in there. There's quite a bit that I could put in this tote bag when I make it and just carry it all the time. Now, it calls for 2.5 yards. I have plenty. Uh, of 5/8 of an inch rope. This is 1 inch. They did not have 5/8 of an inch. They had 1/2 inch rope, but I was like, 1 inch is fine. It's just another quarter of an inch. So I think we're good. So yeah, so now the only thing that I have to get for this are the basically the 1 9/16 of an inch or the 4 centimeter grommets. Okay. So I will most likely, of course, they didn't have those in the store. I'll most likely end up ordering them online from like Amazon or someplace like that. So yeah, this is going to be nice whenever I make it. Now, the last thing that I did grab while I was there was another spool of rope. And this one is one of the 1/2 inch wide rope spools, and it's 5 yards of it. Um, and it is, let me see, it was $8.99 as well. It was on clearance for $2.24, and it is black rope. And the reason why I got this is that I thought that this would be like a really cute tie for something, whether it's a handbag, whether it's a tie for maybe I want to make a do like a rope statement for a tie on like say a pair of joggers or something like that. But I just thought that that was really cute. And y'all, for $2.24, why not? I mean, seriously, why not? So yeah, that is my little haul from Hobby Lobby. So, have you all racked up on any clearance items yet? Anywhere? Because y'all know I'm a clearance shopper. So let me know if you have come across some things. Let me know if you use ribbon. Tell me below and let me know if you are going to go and take advantage of that ribbon clearance sale at Hobby Lobby. Remember, the holidays are coming up. You got fall coming up. Let's see, you got Halloween, you got Christmas coming up, you got birthdays, you got weddings, you got 4th of July coming up. You got if you're doing something special, you know, for tomorrow, then you got Juneteenth coming up. What else do you have coming up? You got a Labor Day coming up. I mean, all types of things you can use for use ribbon for, seriously. So yeah, take advantage of that. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go and probably grab some more because they had like all types of ribbon sequence and everything on sale. So great time to go and take advantage. Don't wait until the weekend because yeah, people are probably gonna really be going through it at that point. So yeah, thank you all for watching as usual. Let me know what you think about my little haul in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Have a great one. Bye-bye.